Happy Friday to everyone out there. Thanks for tuning in. I just thought I'd go over my trades today. Let's see, where do I begin? I did not trade this morning. My mind just was not feeling right. So I just went on simulator. I actually made one good trade on Roku, then called it quits. But so come evening, it's about 3 o'clock now when I started trading. I liked what I saw right here. I thought I was going to pop and start going, so I went long, and I was up about 30 cents, but it went away. I was like, okay, this isn't going to work, so I got out. Then immediately after I got out, it popped, so I said, okay, here we go, and that was way too early. That's a habit I really got to break. So I went long right here and got stopped out again. But around this time, 3:20 p.m., I liked what it was doing here on the volume. I liked this 5-minute candle. I thought it might engulf, but even if it didn't, I was fairly confident that it would come around here to the 70s and around 3:30 start to go up. This isn't my usual play, but I was pretty confident that it would work. Now, it may not have worked, but today it did. So anyway, I went long here. It started going down. I popped a little bit. I went long again. Boom, and went down again. So I'm like, okay, here I'm like, I should add here. But then the back of my mind, I'm like, what if it drops? And what if it keeps going? And what, all these what ifs. But I didn't do anything here. I just let it happen. And I started getting out right here because I was a little scared. I was like, is it going to work? And it started working. Boom, boom, boom. But it didn't go as fast as I'd like. So I got out a good portion here. I wish I would have held. Because right here, boom, it just keeps going up, boom, boom, boom. And right here it struggled. There was a big ask at 125.75, which it did break. It got up to like 125.76 or something like that. But it just didn't seem strong enough, so I got out. And who knows? It's still got 10 minutes to go. It might end up getting back to VWAP, but at any rate, I'm happy with this trade. I liked, just to go over it again, I liked this double bottom here. I liked this strong 5-minute candle. Now, it didn't necessarily have the volume. I mean, it did have volume, but I like these two big ones with decent volume. If these two big ones had minimal volume, like just so tiny you couldn't see it, I wouldn't trust it to stay up. But because it had decent volume, it could have been better. I mean, I think if these volume candles were a lot bigger, it would have gone up a lot more and a lot faster. But I like playing this. I like studying. I've been studying a little bit about the 330, around 330. If the stock is down, double bottom, and it was up all day, there's a potential for it to go back up. May or may not happen. I'm thankful that it happened today and I didn't get stopped out somewhere down here. Wish I would have added right here, but anyway, on the 15 it looks nice. And I was actually looking on the 2-minute, which I don't have right here right now, but it was looking really good. Where was it? Oh yeah, this was looking. My initial thought was here on the 2-minute it would start going, but I didn't wait long enough. I need to wait for that double bottom. But yeah, that is about all for today, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you.